Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening WhatsApp and going straight to Settings, then Chats. Turn off Save to Camera Roll so WhatsApp stops writing media to photos. Once done, make sure iOS privacy settings match. Settings Privacy Photos, select WhatsApp, and set to Never or None if available. This prevents accidental saves even when a chat shares media. If you use iCloud Photos, this step stops uploads from appearing in your main gallery, rather than just hiding them locally. Next, control media per chat so group photos don't flood your gallery. Open a chat, tap the contact or group name, then choose Save to Camera Roll and set it to Never. Do this for groups and any individual threads that send many images. This is useful because global settings might be overridden by chat-level choices. Once applied, new media from those chats stays inside WhatsApp only. Make sure to repeat this for archived or muted conversations to fully prevent leaks. Finish by restarting WhatsApp and your iPhone to force settings to apply. If images still appear, clear WhatsApp cache or reinstall the app, but back up chats first so you don't lose messages. Also check iCloud Photos and any third-party gallery apps that might import images, disable their auto-import. If a photo persists, long press it in Photos and inspect the source. Sometimes attachments were already saved before changes. That single troubleshooting tip usually.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.